Okay. Apparently, I forgot the last part. There were queries on how do we convert whatever we did on SPSS earlier into the report. Into the report. Okay. What am I referring to? Okay. Allow me to share. So I'm going to share this screen. Okay. So this was the table that we did earlier under SPSS where we recategorized all the discrimination index and the difficulty index into easy, good, hard for the discrimination, for good and poor. So for you to fill up this table, okay, for this table, okay, how I categorize it, we have this one on the left side is for the OBA, the right side for the EMI. Okay, so we got this 3x2 table. Okay? So we need to fill up this with the question numbers. Okay, so we need to fill it with the question numbers. Okay, so allow me to show you how. So I'm going to go to the SPSS. So under SPSS, you are supposed to sort this thing out. So how to sort it out? You just click on sort cases. So what do you do? Okay, because we want to separate the report by the EMI and the OBA. So I'm going to set the report by the group first, so that they separate the EMI and the OBA. Then we are going to sort by the difficulty index. Okay, so we have by the difficulty index. Okay, but I suggest rather than starting with the difficulty index, you do with the discrimination index first. Okay, after that, discrimination index, then you go by the difficulty index, so that the number is arranged in order from 1 to 3. Okay, then you order it by the question number. After that, you click on OK. Okay, so right now what happened is, if you look here, I'm going to highlight this. Okay, this is the easy and poor. This is the easy. So it is easy in terms of difficulty, and has poor discrimination. So since you already have this easy and poor, so it is an easy matter of putting this into the report. Okay, so I'm going to have the report and this thing side by side. Okay, so that you can see how it is done. Okay, so we have easy, poor. So easy here on the right side, poor. This one is for the OBA, so it should be on this, in this column. Okay, so what we do, we just highlight the easy and poor, copy. So we just go here, easy and poor. So easy and poor here. Okay, so you have to be sure this one is easy, easy. Then you have poor. Poor is poor discrimination here. Okay. Okay. So next is the hard and poor. So we have 3 of them, hard and poor. So this one is this 3. Copy. So hard and poor is this one. Okay. Next is the easy and good. Easy and good. So you go down, easy and good. So you can see my questions are all easy. Okay, copy. So easy and good. So it is under here, this category, easy, and yet it is good. Okay, so you can see that all the way to the bottom. Easy and good. Okay, next. Okay. Good and good. So good difficulty and good discrimination. So this it will be this one. So good and good. Okay. There's only three. Good and good. So copy. So good and good. There's only three. Copy. Okay. Next is okay. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this correct? Yes, because as you can see on the output earlier, there's only these 4 groups. Okay, okay. Let me pull the table. Yeah, which table? Okay, the output table. So for the OBA, can we pull it up? For the OBA, okay, this EMI, okay, OBA. There are 4 tables that I've got. So you can see here, 8, 16, 3, and 3. Okay, so 8, 16, 3, and 3. So if we calculate here, 3, 3, this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 13, 14, remember. All right. Okay, so that is how we fill up the table. So now just to complete the whole thing. So we have for the EMI, we have this poor and easy. So poor and easy, there's only 2. Poor and easy, copy. So poor and easy. Poor and easy, there's only 2. Right click, paste. Then for the poor and hard. Poor and hard, there's only 2. Poor and hard. So there's only 2. Okay. Easy and good. Easy and good, there's a lot. Easy and good, ooh, all the way down till here. Okay. Easy and good. Copy. So you have to go look for easy and good. So this is easy and good. Paste. Then we have the last one. Okay, we have good and good. So the good and good. Okay, good difficulty and good discrimination. So good and good, he's here. Paste. Again, there's only 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will refer back to the output. Okay, for the EMI, here this one, there's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 2, 12, and 14. So you look here, 2, 2, 12, and 14. So 12 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. That's 12 and 14. And with that, we completed the tables by using the sort command on SPSS. And with that, thank you very much for your kind attention. Hopefully, this one will help. Okay, I'm going to shut down everything, stop sharing. Okay, right now I cannot find the screen. Oh, that's a screen. Nope, not that one. Okay, this one. Okay, I lost the control already. Stop sharing. Okay, now get back control. Okay, more.